Hi everyone, in this video let's have look at the frame. We can visualize frame as a window within a window. In this screen we can see there are three main frames. One where we are typing the code, and one frame in which there is the list of files, and one frame consists of console. So how to add a frame? For this we are again going to reuse the code from the previous video. Frame is equal to ttk dot frame root object. So we are going to create frame within that window. Frame, we are going to place it in a grid. Column is equal to 0, row is equal to 7. We are going to pad it. Pad x is equal to 20, pad y is equal to 40. So we added a frame. Now we are going to use the frame. So whenever we want to use this frame, we use this frame instead of the root. Let's use this frame instead of root in the button, right? Frame. So let's see with the root what happens. Root, we will run this code. So frame is created, but we haven't used here, so the button is here. Now we will use this frame in the button. Now let's run this code. So you can see the button is here because the frame is created at column 9 and row 7, and pad x is 20 and pad y is 40. So the frame is here, so this button is within the frame.